This is the 14-in-1 Outdoor Emergency Survival Kit. Survival kit are some emergency blankets which are foiled to keep you warm, or if you need an emergency you can use them as a reflector. It has a little knife, has a flashlight, has a compass, an emergency pen with a window breaker, and a fire starter, as well as a chainsaw to cut little small branches. Another neat feature is this little card to keep with you that has a bunch of different little utility tools on it. This kit is super small and it's compact, so you can keep it in your car or anywhere you go. Just throw it in your go bag, and that way you have all your emergency supplies with you. Again, this little emergency kit is really small and compact. You can throw it in your car, you can keep it with you in your go bag whenever you need to go anywhere, just in case of an emergency. Due to all the things that this little emergency kit has, I would highly recommend it to just about everybody. Everybody should have a little kit with them just in case an emergency arises, and this is an excellent kit to go with.